Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important topic: how to speak English fluently. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your skills, this comprehensive guide will help you on your journey to fluency. Let's get started. To start, let's break down what fluency really means. Fluency in English is not just about knowing grammar rules or having a large vocabulary. It's about being able to communicate smoothly and effectively, understanding native speakers, and being able to express your thoughts and ideas clearly. So, how do we achieve this? Let's explore step by step. The first step to fluency is building a strong foundation in English. This involves mastering the basics of grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. While grammar might seem intimidating, it's essential to understand the basic rules. Focus on sentence structure. Understand how sentences are formed. Practice constructing simple sentences first and gradually move to complex ones. Tenses. Learn the different tenses and their uses. For instance, past, present, and future tenses are crucial for accurate communication. Parts of speech. Know the roles of nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, etc. This will help you construct sentences correctly. Expanding your vocabulary is crucial. Try these techniques. Read regularly. Books, newspapers, and online articles are excellent sources. Use flashcards. Apps like Anki or Quizlet can be very helpful. Learn in context. Instead of memorizing words, learn them in phrases or sentences. This makes them easier to remember and use. Pronunciation can make a big difference in how well you're understood. Practice these. Listen and imitate. Watch English movies. Listen to podcasts. And mimic the pronunciation. Use pronunciation tools. Apps and online dictionaries often have pronunciation guides. Record yourself. This helps you hear mistakes you might not notice otherwise. Practice is key to fluency. Here's how to incorporate speaking into your daily routine. Find a language exchange partner. Websites like Tandem or HelloTalk connect you with native English speakers who want to learn your language. If you have friends or family who speak English, practice speaking with them regularly. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Look for English-speaking clubs or classes in your area. Many cities offer meetups for language practice, and online platforms like meetup.com can help you find groups. Apps like Cambly or Italki provide opportunities to speak with tutors or other learners. They can offer immediate feedback and help you improve. Understanding spoken English is crucial for effective communication. To improve your listening skills, choose movies and shows in English. Start with subtitles if needed, then gradually try without them. Podcasts and audiobooks are fantastic for improving comprehension. They offer exposure to different accents and speaking styles. Engage in conversations with native speakers. This will help you get used to different speeds and accents. Fluency is not just about speaking. Reading and writing are also important. Read a variety of materials, novels, articles, blogs, and more. This helps you see how English is used in different contexts. Start a journal or blog in English. Write essays or stories. Practice helps improve your ability to express thoughts clearly. Share your writing with others to get feedback. Online communities or language exchange partners can offer valuable insights. There are many tools and technologies that can aid your learning process. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and Memrise can help reinforce grammar and vocabulary. Consider taking online courses from platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or edX. They offer structured learning and often include speaking and listening exercises. Tools like Google Translate can help with quick translations, but try to use them as a supplement rather than a crutch. Immersion is one of the most effective ways to learn a language. If possible, travel to English-speaking countries. Immersion in a native environment accelerates learning. Change your phone or computer settings to English. Follow English-speaking media on social platforms. Join forums. Participate in online discussions, or contribute to English-speaking communities. The more you use the language, the better you will get. Everyone faces challenges when learning a new language. Here's how to tackle them. It's normal to make mistakes. Use them as learning opportunities rather than letting them discourage you. If you feel stuck, Try changing your approach. Explore different learning resources or methods. Set specific, achievable goals. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Keep reminding yourself why you want to learn English. And that's a wrap on our guide to speaking English fluently. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, fluency takes time and practice, so stay dedicated and keep pushing forward. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more content. Feel free to leave any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Check out our other videos for more tips on language learning and personal development. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.